Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Lacey and this is my art channel. Today we're going to be doing something new. It's somewhat of a fad on YouTube right now. It's a reverse coloring book. The idea is that the colors are already there and you're providing the lines. I decided not to do the one that I saw everyone else doing. It's this one by Kendra Norton, but instead trying to find one that speaks to me personally. So I chose this one by Emily Chawa. I apologize if I mispronounced the name. I chose this one because it had a mixture of abstract colors and also pictures where you could tell what it's supposed to be already. Something that I like about coloring is that I don't have to put a lot of effort into deciding what to do. It's relaxing because you can kind of just turn your brain off and just color. So I wanted the choice to be creative or to just draw what I see and make it somewhat simple. Being an artist, I can definitely overthink things when the possibilities are endless, so I thought that'd be a good way to kind of narrow it down a bit. So first I'm going to do a flip through and then I'm going to choose a couple to get started. To start out, I decided to use the back page for testing my art supplies. I like that this was added at the end, and as you will see, I'm only going to do one of these squares right now. I decided to leave the others in case I wanted to test out other art supplies. For today, I just tested out some of the art supplies that I use fairly regularly. I then decided to write them on the page so I can remember which ones I had already tested. If there is an art supply you want me to test, tell me and I will do it in the next reverse coloring book video. Spoiler alert, the only one that actually bleeds through is the Sharpie. I figured that it would, considering it's alcohol based. Okay, so after that, I chose my first full page. It's this page with cacti and succulents. This one really spoke to me. I just love these little planters, and I actually own one like it that has a succulent in it. I like that for the most part. You could tell which each picture is, but it gave enough ambiguity that you can kind of do your own thing. Not everybody's is going to look the same, but the background is very abstract, like enough that you can really do whatever you want with the background. I like the big circles in the background that really spoke to me, and I decided to turn them into flowers, but I also thought that you could really turn them into anything. Mandalas, you could turn them into just different types of circles, like a circular abstract art. You could turn them into pizzas, you could turn them into emojis, like you really could turn them into anything, so I just thought that was really fun. But I saw them and I turned mine into big flowers, and I thought that was fun.
Sunny June, I heard the birds were singing, but I tossed and turned, a feeling
The next page that I chose is this sort of retro looking page. It reminded me of tie-dye and patterns that I would see or wear in the 90s or even before that, but I was not born then. But it was very fun. I started out pretty mindless, just drawing what I see, and when I was done, I thought I was missing something. It kind of reminded me of like beautiful flowers like in a field or like in a forest or something, and then it was reminding me of this conversation that I had with a friend about how mushrooms could be like protector spirits of the forest. It was just a fun conversation we were having, and so I decided to add little mushroom boys. I just thought it fit well, kind of added to the hippie type vibes in the piece. It was just really fun and I liked how it came out. You'll have to let me know which page was your favorite. Which page would you like to see me do next? Do you like this sort of content? I would love to talk to all of you in the comments below. If you try a reverse coloring book and you want to share it with me, I have one link in the description below. If you click it, you should be able to see all of my social media accounts. I would love to connect with you. If you like this comment and you want to see more, consider subscribing and or leaving me a like. This really helps me in my channel, and I appreciate all of your love and support, and I hope to see all of you again in my next video. Okay, goodbye now.
There's nowhere to be found, and that's all my life. And I'm well aware that I can't keep you, so I'll dream about you.